I'm Laura.
And I'm Anne.
And this is the last in our How Do You series. Today's video, you will see us make a macrame ornament and an explosion box. And you can register and pick up your kits at public services on the library website, or by calling, or by coming into the library.
The great thing about these two crafts is that you can either use them together or separately to make one gift or two. I will be showing you how to make the first present, which is the macrame tassel or keychain.
And I'll be walking you through the second do-it-yourself explosion box gift.
Okay, so step one, you're going to attach one of the cords to this key ring with the lark's head knot, which I do think that we've probably all done at some point. We just didn't know it had a name. And then you're going to take your second strand and attach it in the same way. Tighten it so it's nice and tight. I like to move it so that you could be able to get a key on there once this is all done. So you're gonna have 4 strands. You're gonna move your very right strand out and the very left strand out. Take your left and cross it over the 2. Take your right and cross it over like a 4. You're gonna move it under and pull through this big loop in the left, and then just tighten. And that's the spiral knot. And then you're just going to keep doing that until you get about 4.5 to 5 inches long on this tassel. And as you knot, since we're doing just the knot from one side, it will start to spiral as you knot. Okay, so then once you have your tassel all tied up, you're going to take your pair of scissors and figure out how long you want the fringe on your tassel to be. And then you just trim. Then you like uncoil these bits of cord. And over time, you can either brush it out, or over time it'll settle into a nicer fringe. But this is the finished keychain.
The second part of the do-it-yourself gift is an explosion box that you will find in your kit. The explosion box is essentially comprised of 3 parts: a lid, the outside layer, and the descending layers of cardstock within. So we have a handy dandy sheet for you so you can see what sizes your layers need to be. To trim, you'll have different decorations, and there's one piece of origami within the exploding box that you can have fun with. You're going to be scoring your papers into 9 equal squares, and the outside of the box is where you will have the one origami step. So you'll be folding the corners, creasing them together to eventually create a box. And we have cardstock included in the kit for you, washi tape, some glass beads, a bunch of cutouts, and hope you have fun making the explosion box.
Thanks so much for watching and joining us for our How Do You series. If you have any questions or if you wanted to get one of these kits, just give us a call at the library and we'll be able to help you out.